Hello Middleton Cardinals! This video is going to help you register for your 2026 to 2027 school year at Middleton High School.
From the portal login screen, enter your username and password and click Login. Click on More in the navigation pane on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Course Registration.
Click 2026 to 2027 Middleton High School in the window.
If there are any required courses for your grade level, they are already listed here under the Required section. Click the Add Course button. A search screen will appear. Courses can be searched by the course name Algebra 1 or course number MAT0511. Note, full year course numbers come in pairs. You must select the course number for both semesters. For example, Semester 1 Algebra 1 is MAT0511, and Semester 2 Algebra 1 is MAT0512.
Click on a blue course name and you should see this screen. Click on Add and you see the screen.
Once you have selected a course, click Add Request.
To add the course as an alternate option, click Add Alternate. To delete a course, click on the course you added, and then you click Delete Request.
Semester courses may be placed in either semester. MyCampus will randomly assign the semester placement when creating your schedule. Course alternates should appear in the alternates list in the event the first choices of classes are full.
Course alternates appear at the bottom of your course request home screen.
Continue adding courses until the progress bar at the top shows 100% completion.
Don't forget to review your course selections. This process must be completed by January 16th for incoming freshmen or by February 6th for current MHS students. And that's it. Enjoy your newly selected schedule, and thank you for watching the video.